power.
It's putting in microamps.
It's putting in 0.7. No, it's showing
It's
here.
milliamp.
Wait, it's putting in
0.79 is a milliamp. It's not a full amp.
That is 0.79 amps. Yeah.
That's milliamps.
No, that's not milliamps.
Zero, it would be a 1 there if it's a full amp.
No,
it is
Lloyd,
after that.
Lloyd.
It's a point there. It's milliamp. That is 79 milliamps.
You can say 1 meter and you can say 0.1 meter. You can say 1 mile. You can say 0.1 mile. Yeah. So the 0.
Wait a minute. We'll ask AI.
The 0.
Take a picture. Wait a minute. Ask a picture. Take a picture and ask AI, is this milliamps or full amps?
Okay, this is 0. In fact, you're the one who could have even shown the units on your measurement. But look, for you see, I'm asking AI, but what this is outputting is like it's showing you're taking power. If you take 37 multiplied by 0.79, you're getting a lot of power that you're putting into the system. But for the other one, the solar thing, I'm 100% sure from
you made the mistake before, so we need to establish, is these full amps or is this milliamps? So when you ask it, take a picture, send it over to AI, and says, wait a minute, what level is this? Is this 79 amps? Which will blow up my charge controller because it's only a 60 amp charge controller. Okay? Or is this milliamps? See, I know it's milliamps because the charge controller that I'm using is 60 amps. You put more than 60 amps, it catches on fire.
Oh, I know.
So it's not 79 amps.
Units. I'm not saying 79. I'm saying 0.79 amps.
Then if it's not a full amp, it's milliamps. That's the next one down. You can't. If you get 1,000 milliamps, then you have one full amp.
Lloyd,
if it's less than a full amp,
Lloyd, wait. Let me just show you the AI answer. I think you don't know how to read this thing. Then I know for me, I don't know a lot about this thing, but we did some stuff about electricals back in school. There's no way that you can say that is milliamps. Anyways, let me read it here. It is a very common point of confusion, which is converting between amps and milliamps. I did put a picture this way. Is this 0.79 or 79 milliamps? Is that correct in the reading? That's what I put. Is this 0.79 or 79 milliamps in the reading? It said it is a very common point of confusion when it's converting between, it's showing how to convert between the two. 0.79 amperes is equal to 7090 milliamps. No, we are not interested in that. If the display reads 0.79 with a decimal, you can say 1 mile, you can say 0.1 mile, you can say 0.5 miles. I know you know miles. Okay, if the display reads 0.79 with a decimal, the unit is amps, meaning you're pulling, or amperes, meaning you're pulling 0.79 amperes. Which is equal.
That's not what it said. I'm reading it. It's saying that it's 79 milliamps. That equals to 0.17.
For you, you're converting, man. For you, you're converting. Like you're converting. You're already converting it into 0. I've just taken the screenshot of what was on the screen.
I know. I just took a screenshot. It says right there that it's 790 MA.
No.
That's milliamps.
Are you watching the screen?
That's less than an amp.
You just want to argue maybe, but let me put this on the screen. I don't know. Did I took a? Am I watching a wrong video?
Wait a minute. Why am I arguing? What are you saying? I'm arguing when it says MA. It says MA.
Which one is showing MA?
MA is milliamps. Why are you trying to change that? You're just trying to make it. It's not a full amp.
I'm not trying to change anything. I'm just trying you to see. Look on the screen. Lloyd, look on the screen. I'm putting. This is the screenshot the screenshot I took. It's showing 0.79. 0.79.
Yes,
0.79
it's
and
milliamps.
0.79, and for you are saying that it is milliamps. You've told me to go ahead and ask AI. Yo, AI, what is this reading? This screenshot, exactly this screenshot. I'm reading it
Yes.
to you, and again you are refusing. The screenshot is saying that if you have a 0 point, if you have a decimal, it is amperes. If you have a reading like 0.79 without a decimal, then that is milliamps. But again, you're saying that it's not
Yes.
so.
So it's behind the decimal point.
Which,
We have zero.
did you ever go
That
to
means it's 790
Lloyd? You never
milliamps.
wait. You never did any maths then. I think you know more than I do in this stuff. But this way, in terms of this is like class 1 or class 2. I don't know how you call it your
Okay,
side.
wait a minute. I want you to say
You,
this on the air.
you don't
Wait a minute. I want you to answer the question.
you don't know how to
Are
read like.
you trying to say? Wait a minute. Are you trying to say this is a full amp?
I'm not saying it is a full amp. I'm saying it is a fraction of an amp in the form of 0.79.
So we're saying the same thing. We're saying the same thing.
No, we're not saying the same thing. If we are saying the same thing, it is 790 milliamps. What you're talking about is 790.
We are saying the same thing.
It is 790 milliamps, not 79 milliamps. What you're talking about is 790 milliamps.
Oh, now you're drawing at straws. It's still milliamps, and that's what I was trying to tell you. It's not a full amp.
No, you saw it wrongly when you did this experiment. This is 0.79. 0.79. Even AI said it. I was showing it on the screen. You say that I'm reading.
Wait a minute.
You don't know.
The reason why you're trying. Wait a minute. The reason why you're disagreeing.
You don't know how to read this
most. No. What I'm saying.
No.
I'm agreeing that it is 790 milliamps. Did you hear it?
If you're saying 790, that one you're correct. 790.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
But we are talking about milliamps. It's not a full amp.
Also, that's what I've been saying. I've been saying if it's showing 0.79 milliamps, it is a fraction. It is a fraction, like a fraction of a full ampere. You never did stuff to do about fractions and decimals.
No, I'm sitting up here agreeing with you. I'm just telling you it's still in the milliamp. Okay. You keep trying to make it like a full amp, but I'm just saying that this is a fraction of an amp.
I'm not saying I'm not saying it is a full amp. I'm saying maybe you're not understanding me. I'm saying it is 0.79 amperes. 0.79 amperes.
And I'm agreeing with you.
And for you are saying initially you are saying that what is showing is 79 milliamperes,
because that's what's on the screen. Because it's not the other zeros don't really count.
No.
It's showing
no.
Because it's not counting the other zeros.
That's not how you read decimals. Cecil, you should. Anyways, what you're saying, I don't know, but that's not how you read decimals, man. I just said it is 0.79 amperes. I'm not saying that it is a full ampere. I'm not saying 1 point.
Okay. So we're agreeing that it is 790 milliamps.
Yeah, which is
correct?
Which is
You're
790 milliamps. That is correct. Okay. Now, if you calculate power for that, what you're going to get will be something like I think it will be, was it 20 something? But now you see when you put in the solar, if you are just using from LED solars, what you're inputting into the system, it will